Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. Today, we are talking about one of the best and most fun ways to learn English. Learning English through movies and TV series. Many English learners ask me, is it good for beginners? Can I learn if I am A1 or A2? And my answer is yes, absolutely. You can learn a lot, even at the beginner level. Why movies and series help you learn English? Movies and series help you because 1. You hear real English. People speak naturally, and you can listen to different accents. 2. You learn new words easily. When you hear the word and see the action, you remember it better. 3. You improve your listening. Even if you don't understand everything, your ears get used to the sound of English. 4. It's fun. Learning becomes easier when you enjoy it. How to learn English with movies. A1. A2. Here are some simple tips. Tip 1. Start with easy shows. Choose children's shows, cartoons, or simple series with slow speaking. For example, Peppa Pig, Bluey, or simple Netflix series. Tip 2. Use English subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. This helps you understand more and learn spelling. Tip 3. Repeat short parts. Watch a 10 to 20-second scene 2 or 3 times. Try to catch new words. Tip 4. Shadowing. Choose one sentence and repeat it like an actor. This helps your pronunciation and confidence. Tip 5. Learn 3 new words each episode. Don't try to learn everything. Just pick 3 useful words or phrases and write them down. What you can say while watching, you can practice saying simple things like, what is he doing? She is happy. He is walking. I understand this part. This word is new for me. This helps you think in English while watching. Good shows for beginners. A1, A2. Here are some easy options. Peppa Pig. Short, slow, easy everyday English. Bluey. Very clear accents. Masha and the Bear. Simple language. Friends. Selected easy scenes. For A2 learners, extra English. Made for English learners, short YouTube stories. Simple vocabulary. Remember, you don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy the story, listen to the sounds, and learn little by little. Learning English with movies and TV series is fun, relaxing, and very effective, especially if you are A1 or A2. So tonight, choose something simple, grab some popcorn, and enjoy learning English the fun way. Thank you for watching and listening. For more stories, please like and subscribe and share your comments.